Have you ever thought of this? How can I fulfill my destiny? To answer that question, you will need to know how God has helped certain people in the Bible, especially the men of Hall of Faith in Hebrews 11. The destiny of Adam was to be a king and a manager of God's resources. The destiny of Abel was to give God an excellent sacrifice. The destiny of Enoch was to be a prophet. He was to announce to his generation about the second coming of Christ. And that was why he was the first to be raptured. The destiny of Noah was to bring relief to humanity and also to save men from the damnation that came to them through the flood. God, by his mercy and grace, has configured every one of us. He has put certain graces and certain talents into our lives, and they are the pointers into what we are to do with our lives. We came to Christ primarily to fulfill our destiny.
If you're ready to step into God's designed destiny for your life, get your digital copy of Fulfilling Your Destiny in Your Generation for a 50% discount of 260 Naira only. Click the link below to get your copy now, or you can order for your hard copies by reaching out to us on our social media handles at tregomedia, or call these numbers 0916 518 862